Gorillas are one of what we call the great apes. An ape is a large primate that lacks a tail, has long arms, and has opposable thumbs. Like humans, who are also apes, the great apes have hair instead of fur and are highly intelligent animals. Gorillas are the largest of all the apes, and they are only found in forests in Africa. Gorillas have large heads, massive bodies, and are covered in black hair. However, their faces and their chests are usually bald. When male gorillas reach around 12 years old, the hair on their back turns silver, and they are what we call silverbacks. Although gorillas are so huge and look ferocious, they're actually very shy and gentle primates. They spend most of their day eating and resting. Most of their diet is made up of plants, but sometimes they'll also eat ants and termites. Gorillas usually live in family groups of around 12 individuals, led by a dominant silverback. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals. They use branches to test the depth of water before crossing. They use sticks to collect ants and termites, and they can even learn sign language. Gorillas are very endangered animals and were once close to becoming extinct. Half of all the world's gorillas are found in one country, Uganda. Fortunately, gorillas are now well protected, and the money people pay to visit gorillas in the wild helps to protect these gentle giants.